In front of me is REALME GT 70 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting any app you wish to use in this view on the top half of your screen. Then launch it and access it in the background. Now you need to tap on those three dots on the top of your app. And when you see this pop-up, click on split screen. Now tap on a second app. As you can see, after that, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to resize one of those apps, you need to hold this line in the middle of them and drag it. Then let go. If you want to close both of your apps and exit split screen view, you can go into background apps and swipe both of them. Or you can also, I just need to open split screen view real quick to show you. Hold the same line and this time drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on home button to close remaining app or use it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!